In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Anaconda Python on your Windows 11 computer. Now it's really easy to do, so let's jump straight into it. First, go and open up an internet browser and then search for Anaconda download and press search. And then you can click on this top website, which is anaconda.com. Now make sure you're on the official website. You can then click on the logo to head over to the homepage and make sure you're on the official website. Now click on free download in the top right hand side. You then need to click on this get started button, and then we need to sign up with a free Anaconda account. Once you're signed in, you'll then see the download page. Now where it says Anaconda distribution, click on the Windows installer. You can then click on your downloads folder and wait for this file to install on your computer. Once it's finished downloading, just go and open up this file. You can then click on next, click on I agree, select next, click on next again. Make sure to check this box next to add installation to my path environment variable. You also want to check register Anaconda 3 as my default Python and then go and press install. Once it's finished, click on next again, make sure launch is selected and click on finish. Now once it's finished, you can go and open up the Anaconda Navigator app. Now from this window, you can go and launch Jupyter Notebook to run your Python code, or you can go and run something like Visual Studio Code instead. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.